50% off, but only if I sign today. My name is Moses. I'm with Dreamworx Roofing, and this is a series we call Roofing Red Flags. And what Roofing Red Flags is a series for you, the homeowner, to give you a few tips on what to look out for when you're shopping for a contractor. Whether you're having your bathroom remodeled or your roof replaced, there are a few things that high-pressure contractors will do in order to get you to sign now. And we've all heard the deal. 50% off if I sign right now. It sounds a little too good to be true, right? And the truth behind that is that what a lot of contractors will do is that they'll build a whole bunch of fluff into that estimate just to make it look like you're getting a good deal if you sign now. And they want you to sign now. So just remember, whenever you're getting an estimate, take your time, look around, shop around for the contractor that you trust the most and the one that's right for you. Because if you're important enough to get 50% off today, then you're important enough to get 50% off tomorrow.